Okay, so in this presentation, I'm just going to talk a little bit more, give you a little bit of information on nutrient timing for energy, recovery, muscle breakdown and muscle building, immunity, and prevention. So a lot of people ask, okay, why do nutrient timing? And when you look at food, food is potential energy, okay? So whatever you eat over here has the potential to have you exercise or do the activities over here on the right-hand side. So knowing what foods to eat, when to eat, what fueling is going to be all part of nutrient timing, and ultimately maximizing the availability of the foods that you are eating so that you can release this potential energy. Nutrient timing also for recovery. Anytime you're exercising, you're damaging your cells in your body, and so nutrient timing is important to provide those macronutrients, your carbs, your fats, your proteins, and also your micronutrients, your vitamins and minerals, and also your hydration to your body so that you can recover in appropriate time. So if I know that I'm doing exercise both in the morning and in the afternoon, so some of you who are coaching and doing 2-a-days, what are you telling your athletes to eat in between the morning and the afternoon workout? How are you refueling them? What are your recommendations to those athletes in order to recover for the next workout? Nutrient timing is also for muscle breakdown and muscle building. Not that nutrient timing breaks muscle down, but if you time the foods that you eat and you exercise, you can minimize your muscle tissue breakdown. All right, so we've talked a little bit about this when we talked about protein and carbs and the consumption of those prior to exercise, how many hours and minutes before exercise, and then also correct nutrient timing maximizes muscle building. So how soon after exercise should I consume a meal and what should that meal consist of? Again, we've talked about some of these, and this will just go into a little bit more detail as we go through. All right, nutrient timing also for the immunity. So we know that strenuous exercise taxes the immune system, it stresses our immune system. And why is that? Well, anytime you exercise, you're putting your body under stress. And when you're under stress, you are going to respond, your body's going to respond a certain way. You also have an inflammatory response. We talked a little bit about that and why the consumption of omega-3s, because omega-3s are anti-inflammatory. But when you exercise, you tax your immune system, you're utilizing vitamins and minerals that are necessary and needed, and you're using proteins that are needed to help your immune system function. So nutrient timing can help alleviate some of that. Low carbohydrate stores are known to affect immunity. So what should our carbohydrate consumption look like to decrease the risk of us getting ill? And then also low carbs increase your inflammatory response, right? So again, you got to think about exercise. People think I'm exercising to be healthy. That is true. However, if you're not providing your body with the correct nutrients, then you're not helping yourself so much. Nutrient timing for injury prevention. So we know that dehydration and low blood sugar increases your risk of injury. Just makes sense. Think about your body as if I'm not hydrated, I don't have a very good system that is functioning very well. And if I have low blood sugar, you've all got kinds of things going on. You're stressing your body to the max, and so you can more likely injure yourself. Good nutrients equals a healthy body, and a healthy body means that you can prevent injuries. Some of your injuries, obviously, you can't. If you pull the muscle in the middle of a sprint, that's just part of the nature of exercise. But can I decrease my risk of getting stress fractures? Can I decrease my risk of tendon strains and things like that? So nutrient timing is going to play a part in all of that.